I love fall. Want to know what my favorite part about fall is? Carving pumpkins and caramel apples and donuts. I also love these pretty flowers. They're called mums. I bought these for my mom. You get it? Mums for my mom? Anyway, let's dig a hole so we can plant them in the ground. Let's see here. We'll need a shovel. This is some really hard ground here. I think I'm making some headway here. I feel wet. I don't know, was it supposed to rain today? Huh? What? Did you say something? Oh, I guess you're right. Rain doesn't come from the ground, it comes from the sky. Well, gee whiz, where's all this water coming from? You're so smart. It looks like I hit the water main. The water main is where the water comes from the city to your house. This is not good. I better get a bucket to catch this water. This doesn't seem to be working. Maybe I should call for some help. So who do you think I should call? The Little Heroes Fire and Rescue? Great idea. Hello? Dispatch? This is Sergeant. I need help real quick. I think I broke a water main.
Dispatch to E23.
Roger.
Yeah, Sergeant just called.
Oh boy, what is it this time?
Well, he says he accidentally sprung a water main leak trying to plant some mums for his mom.
Why not? Surprise, go head over there. Hi, Sergeant. I heard you had a problem.
I sure am. I sprung a leak on the water line. I must have cut through something with my shovel.
Sergeant?
Yes?
I think they found the problem.
I knew you would. You're so smart.
Did you turn your water hose on?
Yes, I did. See, when you plant flowers, you're supposed to make sure they have lots of water.
Well, that's true, Sergeant. Well, the reason the water's going everywhere, Sergeant, is because you forgot to turn off the hose.
Oops, silly me.
It's okay, Sergeant. Everybody makes mistakes. Let's turn off the water now. To turn the water off, you have to turn the knob clockwise. Like this. See?
You're so smart. Thanks for helping.
No problem. It's just my job. Did you like me helping? Sergeant, tell us in the comments and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe right here to Little Heroes. Bye, everyone. Click on the video above to watch more Little Heroes.